Welcome to Dam Engineering channel. Hope you all like previous videos. In this video we will explain about barrages. Most of the people assume barrage and dam are same, but they are not. In this video, the difference between dam and barrages are explained along with how barrages fail and their reasons. Left side of the image is concrete dam. Right side of the image is barrage. Both are retaining water, thus forming reservoirs. The basic difference we can identify by seeing them is the length, height and purpose, etc. We will see the differences one by one. First is height. Barrage's height is mostly restricted to below 20 or 25 meters only. Whereas, dam's height will be ranging from small heights to even more than 250 meters. So it's clear that barrages are only planned for low-height water projects only. Second difference is when the height of structure is restricted, then the water storage will also be limited accordingly. Water stored in barrage will be much lesser compared to high dams. Purpose of barrages is only to create diversion of water for irrigation or hydropower purposes without any much storage. Whereas, concrete dams can be planned as diversion type and also storage type based on the requirement. Location-wise also we can plan for a dam or barrage. In the hilly areas, as barrages' height is limited, barrages in hilly regions will just act as diversion structures. If we need more storage, dams will be better option in hilly areas. In plains, as the height of dam increases, submergence will be a big issue, their barrages will be a good option. Here, we can see the cross-sections of concrete dam and barrage. Here we can see the clear difference of dam and barrage. Left image which shows section of concrete dam, whereas right image shows the section of barrage. We can clearly observe here is that height of dam is more whereas barrage height is less. Barrage, as explained earlier, it is used for diversion of water purpose only most of the times. Concrete dam as shown in the section can be built up to 250 or even more meters height. Whereas, barrages can be built up to 20 to 25 meters maximum only. One more important difference is foundation. Concrete dams are placed on fresh rock or hard rock only. Whereas, barrages are placed sand, soil, fresh or hard rock foundations. There is no mandatory requirement for barrages. The barrages fail mostly because of water seepage through the foundation. Along with water seepage, loose materials such as sand or soil also gets washed away with water. This action is known as piping. In concrete dams, these two actions are not possible as concrete dams are placed on hard or fresh rock. Seepage and piping occurring chances are very less in dams. Barrages mostly fail because of these two reasons primarily. We will see in detail for the barrage failure reasons. As explained earlier, barrages are placed on sands or soils. There is high chance of seepage through sand or soil. To prevent this, upstream cutoff wall below the barrage and downstream cutoff wall will be provided. They arrest the seepage by increasing the seepage path and also reduces piping. The blue line represents the path of water seepage through the foundation. The water comes at the downstream end. The exit gradient, if it is more than the limit, that means water pressure is enough to lift the launching apron, then slowly piping or erosion action takes place. If the connections of cutoff wall with barrage is not properly constructed or designed, then also water may seep from those locations and cause piping. Once the piping starts, then the foundation material will be lost, which automatically cause barrage to sink or cause piers to crack. The green color line shown in the image represents the flow of water through the barrage. This is energy dissipation arrangement. Certain length and dimensions have to be provided for safety of barrage. If these are not provided as per the design, then also launching apron problems occur. Barrage operation, that means opening of gates, should be planned according to the dimensions provided and as per the design for each barrage specific. We can see both the images in which left side launching apron is lifted up because of piping or improper energy dissipation or so. Right side image is showing properly placed and working in good condition. Hope you all like this video.